Hey, hi Sanjana.
Hi.
People are asking us why our pancake is different from other pancake.
Oh, definitely. So you see here, this is our ingredient list, which is why our pancakes are different from others. And we are made up of entirely clean ingredients, which includes sprouted masoor dal, jowar, foxtail oats, banana, chocolate, raw unrefined sugar, vanilla and baking powder. So the earthiness that you taste in our pancakes is because we have added less sugar as compared to other products in the market, because we inherently believe that when people are making pancakes at home, they do some garnishing like honey or maple syrup, whipped cream and fruits, which would then make the overall pancake as a meal a very high sugar meal for anyone who is consuming the product. And now we also understand that pancakes are inherently sweet, which is how we all like to enjoy them as well. So to make it more palatable, we have added unrefined raw sugar, जिसको हम हिंदी में देसी खांड भी बोलते हैं, which has no side effects, and our product is entirely free from nasties like Maida, additive sugars and flavors or any preservatives. And we take extreme pride in the fact that our pancakes are nutritious, tasty and healthy. Go enjoy.